Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are making white chocolate truffle with desiccated coconut. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications about our videos. For this recipe, we require 300 grams of chopped white chocolate. For this, we have used white compound chocolate. To this chocolate, I am adding 100 ml of fresh cream. To this, I am adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to get a nice sheen. Mix the ingredients well. Now we are going to melt the chocolate over the double boiler. You can add the fresh cream and the butter at this stage also. Keep mixing until the entire chocolate melts and it gets a nice shiny texture. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence once the chocolate has cooled down. To this we added 60 ml of condensed milk. Now I'm going to add half a cup of desiccated coconut. Fold the ingredients until it's mixed well. Cover the bowl with aluminium foil or cellophane paper and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. Once the mixture is chilled well, scoop out the mixture and make it into tiny rounds using your palm. You should grease your palm with either oil or ghee before doing it. Roll the truffles in desiccated coconut and your truffle is ready. If you have enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you!